Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Rocket Money to budget. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you start using Rocket Money here to budget your money? Well, the first thing you want to do here is you want to log into your account at Rocket Money. Now, for us to create our own budget here, we first need to add our accounts. So typically in your dashboard here at the right side, you have the account section, which in this case, you have the option to add your checking account, credit cards, or even your savings or investments in here. So in this case, go ahead and click whatever applies for you. This one, like for example, if you want to add a credit card, go ahead and click on credit card here. And from here, just basically choose your institution. So it might be from Chase, Capital One, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Discover. So there's a few banks that you can access here and connect them. Now in this case, once you've actually selected one and logged in into your account, like for example Chase here, once you click on it, you'll have the option to log into your account and basically connect your account here. But once you've done that, we're now ready to start creating our budget. Now on the left side, go ahead and click on budgets, and from here you want to click on start my budget. Now from here, you want to indicate your monthly income. So this is an example. I'm going to add $2,000. Hit on continue. It's going to say next, which one of these do you consider bills? So currently we have 0 bills here. So let's go and click on it. So in this case, utilities is going to ask that. Like for example, this is going to be around $500. Let's go and click on continue. And from here, let's go and click on add budget categories. Now you can go ahead and do that by clicking on it and just start adding categories here. Like for example, I have a dining and drinks budget here. Let's go and add that one, and that should now be added in here, as you can see right now. So you could go ahead and allocate a amount for this one. Like for example, $100 for dining and drinks. Now in this case, it's going to be added in here. Now in this case, you can go ahead and start adding your budget here by clicking on add a budget and start adding whatever categories here. There's a few options to choose from in different categories like pets, personal care, medical, loan payment. Now in this case, you should be able to see your budget basics here. So it includes the earnings and necessities like bills and utilities. You have the budget categories and a lot more. So again, if you want to add them, you could go and add them. Now at the right side, you have the amount that you have left to spend, since the initial budget is around $2,000. Now, in this case, you have the current spend here, the remaining on your account, and the spending budget that you have right now. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.